Ooh, that's cool.
So noticing the texture of the fruit, the color, the smell, and knowing that we're so lucky to be on this earth and to be able to be nourished by the earth.
I love when this... I hope I'm doing this right. Oh wait, I forgot to knock. Let me just like...
Knock my bad energy out of it.
I'm like... Let's see, where's the 8 of Wands? Okay, but this is reverse. Okay, so this is present. Give pause and wait until favorable conditions appear. Energy is stagnant, being pulled in many different directions. Honestly, this is accurate. Thank you.
Oh, I love your ring. That's so pretty.
Oh, thank you.
So I got the Queen of Cups reversed.
Ooh.
Journaling does not come easy to me. Here it looks like I have so much to say and it's very natural, but really I find it so difficult. So I feel like adding in some prompts or responding to prompts can be so helpful, because when I journal I tend to be really perfectionistic and imagine if somebody else is reading it and whether it's actually like of quality, and then I get into my head and then I kind of obscure my actual feelings. It's something it's been a huge challenge and something that I really want to work on, to not feel like I'm being watched, or my inner, I don't know, my inner mind is like safe to be expressed.
Rose petals and...
It smells so good. Oh my god, I love that.
I think like lavender, maybe orange? That looks so pretty. Oh my...
Dark cherries, color my skin 6 years.